My dear student friends, I hope you all are doing fine. I am sure you are excited to start your e-learning classes. Yesterday, you watched a video in which the principal of the college told you about the rules and regulations of the college. And today, I am going to share with you the modalities and the techniques that we will employ for conducting our e-learning classes. This year we have got more than 400 students in our first year batch. Out of these, there are some who have taken arts stream, others have taken commerce, and many others have taken science stream. For us, every stream is equally important. We give equal value to arts, commerce and science. For us, every subject is important. Every individual student is important. So those who have taken arts stream or commerce stream, don't underestimate yourselves. There are people who may say, yeah, you have taken arts, what will you do? Arts se kya hoga? That is not the case. It is all your dedication, your labor. If you choose to develop your skills, your abilities, you can utilize your potential, then any subject, any stream is fine. You will be surprised to know that in this college there are some wonderful records. Every year we have some records like this. In the very first batch, a boy came to our college and took admission in arts stream. He scored only 37% marks in HSLC, but when he passed HS examination 2 years later, his percentage was 77%, and he is now working in Indira Gandhi International Airport, New Delhi. 2 years ago, one boy came with only 48% marks. In HS Arts, he got 81% marks. Another boy in commerce stream, he came with only 57% marks in HSLC, but passed higher secondary commerce exam 2 years later with 84% marks, letters in all subjects. Such wonderful result many arts and commerce boys make every year. So your choice is right, and we appreciate your choice. I welcome you to the college and I congratulate you on being a part of us. Now, the most important point is that when the session begins, we usually invite the students, they come to college and then we start our classes. But this year, because of this pandemic, coronavirus across the globe, situation is the same everywhere. We are not able to start our physical classes. Unless normalcy returns and the government allows the opening of the schools and colleges, we will have to continue our study in a different way. And this different way is these online classes. We already have got 3 months of experience. This was a new thing for us also. But now we have got 3 months of experience with our second year students with these online classes. That is a very successful one. Students are cooperating, they are responding. Now the question is, how are these online classes conducted? What are the things that the teacher will do? What are the things that you people will have to do? This is what I am going to sum up before you. In our college, we have a set of people like the principal at the top. After the principal, there is the vice principal, the person who is talking to you right now. And then comes academic in charges. That is very important. This thing may be something new for you. An academic in charge is the person who is the head of a particular stream. For all the 3 streams, we have one academic in charge each. In our stream, Mr. Rafiqul Islam, who is the faculty of education, is the academic in charge. He looks after the progress of the course, the teachers teaching, the students' response, everything related to teaching and learning of his stream, he looks after. In science stream, we have Mr. Shaheen Ahmed, who is the teacher of accountancy. For a few days, because of some unavoidable reasons, he is not in the station, and his responsibility is shouldered by Mr. Abdul Hamid, who is the teacher of economics. In science stream, we have Mr. Anwar Hussain Barbiya. He is the academic in charge and he is the teacher of physics. After this video lecture of mine, those academic in charges will share with you the list of books and the course contents, and the teachers concerned will tell you the marks distribution, how 100 marks is divided. All these things they will share. So we have divided your syllabus into something called split up syllabus. In our Ajmal group of colleges, we have something called split up syllabus. This split up syllabus is the division of syllabus into certain parts. We determine at the very beginning of the session how much we will do in a particular month, how much we will do in a particular week. So since your core academic activities, e-learning classes will start from the 1st of July, what we will do in the very first week of July, what we will do for the during the whole month of July, these things are all planned. So this is called split up syllabus. The teachers will carry on their teaching activity following the split up syllabus. And then how will they do the teaching? So far as the teaching is concerned, they will provide you certain materials. Firstly, you have to consider your WhatsApp group, your classroom. Your WhatsApp group that we have created and to which we have added you is your classroom. As in the classroom, you are supposed to be obedient, you are supposed to be punctual, you are supposed to be very respectful, you are not to make any kind of unwanted comments. The same things you have to follow when you are attending this WhatsApp group. You are not to say any unnecessary things, hello sir, how are you, or those okay sir, why are you doing this or that. No. If you have any query, anything to ask, you can ask it to your respective teacher whose numbers are all available with you. We are also going to share with you a list of our teachers and who will teach you what. So in your e-learning process, the teacher will firstly give you materials in the form of video clips, audio clips, or image files or text files. With the help of those materials, he will discuss the lesson, and if you have any doubt, any query, you can ask him personally. Then at the end of the lesson, the teacher will give you assignments, homeworks. This is very important. You cannot say, I will not do my homework, what can you do sitting in the college? We can do everything. How? In a usual classroom, in a traditional classroom, we have a register, we call your numbers, you respond, and we mark you present or absent depending on your availability or not. Here also in our WhatsApp group, we will keep and maintain your attendance. In the morning, your class will begin at 9:30. Every day we have two classes. First period is from 9:30 to 12:30. And then you will have a half an hour's break. Then you will have another class till 3:30. So at the beginning of every class, the teacher will ask you to respond. So in the classroom, you say yes sir. In the same way, you will here also write, you will type yes sir. Those who will write yes sir, we have kept a register here. We will mark you present. If you don't respond, you will be marked absent. And 85% of attendance is mandatory for appearing in the final examination. If you fail to achieve 85% attendance, you may not be qualified to appear in the final examination. Take this very seriously. Teachers will give you assignment. If you don't do assignment on time, you will be marked absent for that day. Keep all these things in mind. The routine will be shared with you soon. The book list, the chapters, and the marks distribution, all the things will be shared by academic in charges and the respective teachers. From the 1st of July, we will start our full classes. And before that, during these days, there will be some introductory sessions in which we will give you some activities. That will follow from time to time. You will come to know from your academic in charges and from your respective teachers. Some people are complaining that English is difficult, we are not able to understand the messages, the video talks in English. That is nothing new. This is a very common complaint. I was schooled in Bengali medium schools. Till class 10, my medium was Bengali. When I got admission in HS first year in college, the same difficulty I also faced. Everyone faces it. It is nothing new. But this does not mean that you should be away from English. You have to face the difficulty, you have to learn English, but there is one good news for you. What is the good news? That language is not a war. Our teachers are ready to speak with you in English, Hindi, Assamese, and if necessary, even in Sylheti also. But this relaxation is only for a few months. We will allow you some 2 or 3 months time by talking to you in any language that you feel comfortable. But within these months, you people also should work to develop your skill of English language. And then in our college, the official language is English. If you speak in English, if you communicate in English, we will appreciate it. That is very good. If you cannot, you will get help from teachers. They will speak in other language. In art stream, we have two divisions, two groups, depending on the medium. One is Assamese medium group, another is English medium group. Whatever language you are comfortable with, the teacher will communicate in that language. That is for a few months to help you adjust. Now comes contacting the teachers. Better to contact the teachers in his personal account, personal WhatsApp number, because if everybody responds in the group, then the group will have a lot of things and it will be difficult for others to scroll and to find where is what. And then I think I have been able to communicate with you the important points about our e-learning methodologies. Let me sum it up again, that you people, firstly you will get a list of books, you purchase the books and also buy important notes, get ready. From 1st of July we will start our full-fledged classrooms. Before that, be connected with us. We will give you some activities that you are supposed to do. But when you are attending your WhatsApp group, follow the etiquette. Your manners are very important. And remember one thing, your parents are spending money on you. Your parents are taking a lot of your care. Give value to this. To your parents, you are everything. To your parents, you are the whole world. They have a lot of expectation from you. So the love, the care, the expectation that your parents have, give respect to it. Don't underestimate yourself. Give value to yourself. Take care of yourself. Love yourself. Because these 2 years are a very, very crucial time of your life. Don't waste your time. Don't waste the money your parents are spending on you. Look at your parents' face and read the love, the care they have for you. Be true to yourself. And whatever support you expect from us, whatever support we are supposed to provide you, we will give it. After speaking in English for a long time, I think let me speak something in Hindi also or in Assamese, so that those people who are not that comfortable with my speech so far may get some amount of comfort. অসমীয়াত ক'বলৈ গ'লে কথাবিলাক এনেকুৱা হ'ব যে তোমালোকৰ যিসকলৰ ইংৰাজীত বুজিবলৈ সমস্যা হয়, এই সমস্যাটো অকল তোমালোকৰ নহয়, এই সমস্যাটো বহুতৰ। এই সমস্যাটো ব্যক্তিগতভাৱে মোৰো আছিল। যেতিয়া মই স্কুলৰ পৰা কলেজলৈ এডমিশ্যন লৈছিলোঁ, মই বাংলা মিডিয়ামৰ পৰা পাছ কৰিছিলোঁ 10th এক্সামিনেশ্যনটো। এইটো সমস্যা চবৰে হয়, কিন্তু এই সমস্যাটোৰ কাৰণে আমি ইংলিছটোক বাদ দিব নোৱাৰোঁ, আমি ইংলিছটোক গুৰুত্ব কম দিব নোৱাৰোঁ। চাইকেল যে ল'ৰাই চলাই দেখিছা, দেখাত প্ৰথম লাগে, নিজে চলাবলৈ শিকাৰ আগত লাগে বাপৰে এনেকৈ ওপৰত বহিছে আৰু চাইকেলখন গৈ আছে, অদ্ভুত লাগে, মইতো নোৱাৰিম। কিন্তু যেতিয়া তুমি চলাবলৈ শিকিবা তেতিয়া দেখিবা এইটোতো ইজি কথা। উঠাৰ পিছতে বৰং স্পীড বেছিয়ে হয়, বেছি স্পীড দিলে বেছিয়ে মজা লাগে। এইটো প্ৰেক্টিচৰ কথা। ইংলিছক ইমান ভয় কৰিব নালাগে, কাৰণ ইংলিছটো গোটেই পৃথিৱীব্যাপী মানুহে আঁকোৱালি লৈছে। ইংৰাজী নহ'লে তোমালোকৰ পঢ়া শুনাৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত কোনো ক্ষেত্ৰতে আগবাঢ়িব নোৱাৰিবা। কিন্তু প্ৰথম কেইমাহমান তোমালোকক আমি কি কৰিম, ইংৰাজীত সমস্যা হ'ব যিসকলৰ, আমাৰ টিচাৰসকলে তোমালোকৰ লগত কথা পাতোঁতে তেওঁলোকে হিন্দী, অসমীয়া, আনকি দৰকাৰ হ'লে চিলেটিতো কথা পাতিব। কিন্তু তোমালোকে নাভাবিবা, ডোণ্ট টেক ইট ফৰ গ্ৰাণ্টেড যে এইটো হৈ গ'ল, তাৰে চব ভাষাতে কথা পাতে। এইটো কেইমাহমানৰ কাৰণে তোমালোকক আমি এটা সুবিধা দিছোঁ, এটা ৰিলেক্সেশ্যন দিছোঁ। 2 মাহমান 3 মাহমান পিছতে তোমালোকে আকৌ লাহে লাহে ইংৰাজীত আহিব লাগিব, কাৰণ আমাৰ কলেজৰ অফিচিয়েল লেংগুৱেজ অফ কমিউনিকেশ্যন ইজ ইংলিছ। আৰু মই যিটো কথা তোমালোকক গুৰুত্ব দি কৈছোঁ এইটো হৈছে তোমালোকৰ মা দেউতাই তোমালোকৰ কাৰণে বহুত কষ্ট কৰিছে, তোমালোকৰ কাৰণে তোমালোকৰ দেউতাহঁতে তোমালোকৰ কাৰণে তোমালোক পইচা খৰচ কৰিছে, তোমালোকক লৈ তেওঁলোকে বহুত ডাঙৰ ডাঙৰ সপোন দেখিছে। এতিয়া তোমালোকৰ দায়িত্ব হৈছে তেওঁলোকৰ সপোন বাস্তৱায়িত কৰা। তোমালোকক এখন কলেজত এডমিশ্যন দিছে, য'ত এজন ল'ৰাই সেইদিনা প্ৰিন্সিপাল ছাৰে কৈছে যি অমৰ সিং তাপাই ছায়েন্স ষ্ট্ৰীমত ফাৰ্ষ্ট ৰেংক কৰিছিল। বহুতে হয়তো ক'ব যে ফাৰ্ষ্ট ৰেংক কৰিছে অমৰ সিং তাপা, এইটো এটা ব্যতিক্ৰমী কেছ। মই মানিছোঁ চব অমৰ সিং তাপা হ'ব নোৱাৰে, চব ফাৰ্ষ্ট ৰেংক কৰিব নোৱাৰে, মই মানিছোঁ। কিন্তু মই যে ইংৰাজীত বক্তব্য দিওঁতে আগতে ক'লোঁ যে আমাৰ এখন কলেজৰ পৰা আৰ্টছ আৰু কমাৰ্চ ষ্ট্ৰীমত প্ৰত্যেক বছৰ কিছুমান ল'ৰাই এনেকুৱা ৰিজাল্ট কৰে যে মেট্ৰিকৰ মাৰ্কছৰ তুলনাত 30-35% ইনক্ৰিজ হয়, 37ৰ পৰা 77 হৈ যায়, 48ৰ পৰা 81 হৈ যায়, 57ৰ পৰা 84 হৈ যায়। এইটো মাত্ৰ 3টা উদাহৰণহে মই দিছোঁ, প্ৰত্যেক বছৰ এনেকুৱা বহুতৰ কেছ হয়। সেইকাৰণে মূল কথাটো হৈছে আমি চবেই মিলি একেলগে যদি পঢ়া শুনাটো আমাৰ চবৰ দায়িত্ব বুলি আমি সমজি লওঁ। তোমালোকে ধৰি ল'বা হে পঢ়াটো মোৰ দায়িত্ব, শিক্ষকসকলে ধৰি ল'ব হে পঢ়োৱাটো মোৰ দায়িত্ব, গাৰ্জেনসকলে যদি ধৰি লয় যে হে ল'ৰাটোক পঢ়া শুনা কৰিছে নাই কৰাটো এইটো চোৱা মেলা কৰা আমাৰ দায়িত্ব। এই যে তিনিটা পাৰ্টিয়ে যদি একেলগে লগ লাগে আমি যদি পঢ়া শুনাত গুৰুত্ব দিওঁ, যিবোৰ যে যেনেকৈ তিনিটা বাহু থাকে, তিনিটা বাহুৰ মাজত এটাৰ লগত আনটোৰ এটা সামঞ্জস্য, এটা লিংক থাকিব লাগে, ঠিক তেনেধৰণে অভিভাৱক, শিক্ষক আৰু শিক্ষাৰ্থী এই তিনিও ধৰণৰ ব্যক্তিৰ যদি এটা সামঞ্জস্য, এটা সংযোগ থাকে, তেতিয়াহ'লে তোমালোকৰ যিটো সাফল্য এইটো কোনেও ৰখাব নোৱাৰে, কোনেও দিব নোৱাৰে, সাফল্য অৱশ্যম্ভাৱী। কিন্তু তোমালোকে মোবাইলটো পাইছা বুলিয়েই তোমালোকে মোবাইলটোৰ অপচয় নকৰিবা, মিছ ইউজ নকৰিবা, মোবাইলটোৰ সঠিক ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিবা। এই মোবাইলটো তোমালোকৰ মা দেউতাই দিছে, এইটোৰ পইচা দি কিনিছে, এইটো তোমালোকক দিছে কামৰ কাৰণে। তোমালোকে সেই যিটো একাডেমিক যিটো নিড, সেই নিডত এইটো কামত লগাবা, এইটো তোমালোকে মিছ ইউজ নকৰিবা। আৰু আমাৰ শিক্ষকসকলে তোমালোকক সদায় ছাপোৰ্ট দি থাকিব, তোমালোকৰ টিচাৰে বুক লিষ্ট দিব, তাৰপিছতে কোৰ্ছ মেটেৰিয়েলছ কি কি আছে দিব, মাৰ্কছ ডিষ্ট্ৰিবিউশ্যন সেইটো তোমালোকক দিব। আৰু তোমালোকক এইখিনি দিয়াৰ পিছত আমি 1 তাৰিখৰ পৰা সম্পূৰ্ণ ফুল ফ্লেজৰ ক্লাছ আৰম্ভ হ'ব। তাৰ আগলৈকে আমি তোমালোকক কেইটামান আমি ইণ্ট্ৰডাক্টৰী এক্টিভিটি দিম, কিছুমান কাম কৰিব দিম, তোমালোকে এইবিলাক সময়ে সময়ে জানিব পাৰিবা। কিন্তু তোমালোকে পঢ়া শুনাত মনোযোগী হ'ব লাগিব, নিজৰ ভৱিষ্যত নিজে গঢ়িব লাগিব। এইটো ধৰি ল'বা যে এইটো মোৰ লাইফ, ইট ইজ মাই ফিউচাৰ, ইট ইজ মাই লাইফ, মোৰ নিজৰ ফিউচাৰ মই গঢ়িম নে ভাঙিম, মই এটা উন্নত জীৱন লাভ কৰিম নে নকৰিম, মই মোৰ মা দেউতাৰ আদৰ্শ সন্তান হ'ম নে নহ'ম, এইটো তোমালোকে ডিচিশ্যন ল'ব লাগিব। 2 বছৰ পিছত তোমালোকে যদি সঠিকভাৱে পঢ়া শুনা কৰা, আফটাৰ 2 years you should be able to have a brilliant result, and we people should be proud of you, your parents should be proud of you, you should be proud of yourself. In this way if you proceed, then I am sure that success will be at your doorstep. Saying all these words, let me conclude here, wishing you all the best. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.